Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So if you click on this video, there might be three things. That is, number one, you already changed your Quran. Number two is you make a decision and you are now going to change your Quran, or in future you will do that, you will change your Quran. And that's what I am telling you in this video, that why you should not change your Quran, because it has so many problems, especially if you are doing Hifz Quran, if you are memorizing Quran, and it will create so many problems in your journey. So let's go ahead and discuss the problem. What is the problem? Okay, number one is you will forget your past lessons because of the change in the pattern. Okay, so the pattern I mean here is, if you see here on the right side, there is a Quran which is we call the Arabic colored Quran, and I choose a specific ayah from Surah Baqarah, ayah number 18, which is Summum Bukmun Umyun Fahum La Yarji'un. On this Quran, this is on the fifth page, and on the top of the page at the starting. And on the another hand, there is a Quran which is Arabic script Quran. No, I'm sorry, Usmani script Quran. And in this Quran, the same ayah is on the second and the third line. So that's what I am telling you, that this will change your pattern, and you will also forget your past lessons because of this. Because if you revise your lessons in the Usmani script Quran, but you memorize that lessons in the Arabic script Quran, it will totally change, and you will forget your lessons. It will be really hard for you to again memorize that. Second problem, if you are memorizing the Quran in the big text, and you switch to the pocket Quran, or you can say handheld Quran, which is easy for you to carry anywhere, and that's why you shifted to that. So it will be the huge mistake you make in the journey of your memorization Quran, because of the text matter. If you memorize the Quran in the big text, you will memorize it in if you memorize the one page in 1 hour. On the other hand, if you switch to the small text Quran, you will memorize the same sabak, the same page in 4 hours or in 3 hours, if not 2, because you will not understand the text, and it will be really hard for you to understand it and then memorize the pattern also. We are not only memorizing the ayahs etc., we are also memorizing the pattern. And the third problem is understanding and memorization the new pattern is tough. As I told you, if you look at the Arabic script Quran and then at the Usmani script Quran, it's totally changed. There is I'm not telling you that the ayah is changed, the text and the style and the color and the font is changed, and it's really hard for you to memorize in the another one. So what's the solution for all of these problems? It's simple, don't change it, keep it. If you memorizing in the Usmani script Quran, only memorizing that. If you are memorizing in the Arabic colored Quran, only doing that. And if you have any other Quran, only doing that. Don't change your Quran ever, because it will be the huge mistake you make in your entire life. Some people will now say that, what if if the page of our Quran is torn out, teared, and it's get old? There's so many people out there who actually repair your Quran. So just repair your Quran and memorize the Quran in just one. No, do not change, because I made this mistake and it caused me to memorize Quran in 7 years. I do 5 to 10 juz I memorized, and after that I stopped my new sabak because I have changed my Quran and I couldn't memorize the past lesson. Then I will go all the way back, and I will memorize all the 10 juz, or you can say revise all the 10 juz, and after that I will begin my new lessons. So that's the problem. The actual problem is there. Or if your Qari Sahib and friends told you, or if your friends using another Quran and you inspired by them, and you are saying I am gonna purchase that Quran and I am going to memorize the lessons in that Quran because your friends told you or you see them or your Qari circle, so don't do that, because anyone, like, you know better yourself than anyone. Okay, so at the end, who I am telling you all this, that my name is Muhammad Zakarya. I'm 17 years old, Hafize Quran, and I did complete my Hafize Quran journey in 7 years. I have 7 years of experience. I made so many mistakes out there, and I correct them, and Alhamdulillah, I memorized the whole Quran now. At the end, if you want any personal help from me, DM. I am right now helping other peoples with memorizing Quran. DM me on IG and I will get in touch with them.